So the task is how to make video presentation by Mary Jane T. Dichon. So step 1, open the Canva app. Step 2, click presentations to choose what template you're going to use. So as you can see, click ko yung presentation. Step 3, after you click the presentations, there are so many templates that you can try. So I choose the brown beige because I like the design and color. Step 4, after that, you can start creating your presentation. To add images, click the uploads. Then step 5, click upload files to attach the picture you want. So, i-click mo lang po yung upload files. Next, select an image to upload it. Click, tapos pagkatapos, click done. So, dito siya lalabas sa images. Then, if you click that, you can attach it to the presentation. O, pwede mo itong i-ano. So, step 7, if you done editing your presentation, click the arrow up or share button. Yung may arrow up. Click present and record. I-click mo yan para mag-speech ka na. So, ganun. Step 9, go to recording studio. So, i-click mo yung go to recording studio. Tapos step 10, click start recording to record yourself. So, isi-start mo to para mag-speech ka na. Tapos pagkatapos, if you done text speeching, you can click done and save it. Tapos, if you done saving it, go back again to the share button, then click download. So, i-click mo po yung download, hindi ko nalalagay. Lalabas, save as. So, the file type you can suggest PPTX, Microsoft PowerPoint document, or MP4 video kasi para na tong video rin. Tas next step, click download to save your files or your presentation. So that's all, and thank you.